that. So I was discussing this that we broke out of this triangular pattern which was handled to the cup and which was around 26,600. We went up to 28,500, and that's where we seen that rejection of prices. And if you can see that I have drawn this black line which act as in support of the previous cup. Okay, it's the upper layer to there. So that's where it just took the support and just reversed. And today we made a kind of spinning bottom, which shows a pause to sell side. And on upper side, I've drawn this triangular pattern, and we are already out of this triangular pattern, which shows openness to the bear uh, entry. And this pink line, you can note it down. 27,740 will act as a stiff resistance to Bank Nifty from now. And I've seen the private banks, I've seen the PSUs, they are taking a strong resistance. So I don't think there is much of participation now. So a lot of distribution has happened between 28,400 and 27,700. So it will take a while to cross this and prove again if it is going up. But as of now, you can mark that 27,740. If somebody wants to write the call option of 28,000, it's a safer bet, and you will get that premium in. So somewhere closer to this, we will be out of all longs. But again, if we'll try to reverse that trade, we can trade. And I believe that we're gonna make a reverse rounding cup here. I'll show you how it's gonna act. So the trade should be like this, kind of parallel channel will move like this. Okay, so that is what I'm expecting out of it. And again, once we move like this, and again I expect a kind of sell, and we break down, and breaking down again, it will touch 27,000, 27,150 or 100. It's a very strong support. Okay, so in whichever case, if we are coming on Nifty around 11,190 or 200 sorts, we may come down to find support in Bank Nifty, which is around 26,950 or 900. Okay, so you can know that band, and we are seller on rise, and it is comfortable to write calls above some 27,800, and that's where I think a lot of resistance are there, and price rejection is what we can look forward to. Okay, so that's Bank Nifty. So otherwise, you'll see that ICICI, it has a strong resistance at 340, 42. There was a price rejection, and there's a gap at 316, 317. If you study the chart, you will find that. And there's pressure on Yes Bank to Axis Bank, again in pressure. So there is a kind of rejection at top, which I feel that if we want to break, if we are breaking above, we need a lot of consolidation, a lot of positive news, a lot of money flowing in. But standing at $72 versus rupee, and crude, I'm too positive that it should break to $85. So I believe a lot of macro hurdles which will actually not allow indices to perform. So just be a scalper trader. Trade daily or hourly patterns. That is more advisable, because taking positional call is something I won't think it's comfortable, because we will be trading in a band, and a lot of stocks we have in FNO. There are a lot of moves we can trade. So nowadays, Bank Nifty, we have weekly expiries too. So a lot of room to trade that at the bottom. It's very simple. You have 5-7 stocks in Bank Nifty. You need to know the patterns of HDFCs, or the likes of private banks, if you Kodak or ICICI, Axis. So understanding the collective patterns, you can easily make out where Bank Nifty is going to move. So I think it's more easier, instead of analyzing some 250 stocks, go for 5-7 bank Nifty stocks and just trade in bank Nifty options, and it's a fine play for traders to trade that money. So all those who have that time in. So if people are short of time, though, I will advise to trade individual stock. That is much better. So we have